winter time coming. Oh, winter time. Hey. Um, mm, Thinking about you, I was so selfish. I don't even know what to do with you. Thinking back to the time that I was so selfish, baby, I don't know what to do. Baby, I don't know what to do. Baby, I do not know what to do. I was so selfish, I was fucked up in my mind. So fucked up in my mind. So fucked up in my mind. Thinking about I was so selfish, fucked up in my mind. You said more Jesus music. I'm trying to find some like just straight up acoustic music. Talk to me, can't say you ain't amazing me, oh you made. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you are my favorite girl. You are my favorite girl. Jesus, bro, I'm getting sick. You are my favorite girl. You are my favorite girl. Let's see if I can't hit some high notes. Hold up. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? My nigga. I'm not doing this. Let's see one more. You are my favorite girl. You are my favorite girl. Look, you are my favorite girl. I don't know what I do. Trying to find something like that. Fuck. I can't find them. I meant to call it a break for a little bit. You never think that we just be friends. Oh, you never said we could be friends. Yeah, that be. How love you so? How you never told me how to love you so? Oh, oh, oh. Alright. You never told me how to love you so. I'll run this twice if I can. This is actually decent. You never told me how to love you so. You never told me how to love you so. Let's see if I can get through a couple minutes. You never taught me how to love your soul, and I never learned how to love you so. But in this masochist, I know it's not right for me to cut my wrist. I don't know what to do without you. You never taught me how to love your soul. You never taught me how to love your soul. You never taught me how to love your soul. So I'm just sitting here holding your heart in my hand, baby girl. I do not know what to do. Thinking about you. But you never taught me how to love you. So I just flunked it like the test. You never taught me how to love your soul. You never taught me how to love your soul. Oh, how to love your soul. You never taught me how to love your soul. Oh, how to love us so, how to love us so, how to love us so sweet and fragile. Tell me how to love you. I am so sick that I cannot even hold a note for real like that. I'm going to add ad libs because um my fucking I'm running out of breath from this shit. This will be the song out. I love this ballad. Like these ballads are good. Ballad. Ooh. We're gonna do it right now. Oh no you didn't. Oh no you didn't. Oh I'm so confused. No, it's and I love the pain, but I love the pain, but I love the pain. Oh, oh, oh no you didn't. Oh no you didn't. Oh 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 you didn't. Do flunked it. Oh, baby girl, I don't love your soul. No, you didn't. Baby, no, you didn't. Oh, no, you didn't. Baby, no, you didn't. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. You never taught me how to love your soul. You never taught me how to love your soul. So how to love you so. Dang, I only did one song, 17 minutes. This one's actually good. That's actually, if I wasn't sick, I could make a best song out of that. But I'm not gonna edit this shit either. Fuck. You never taught me how to. When we're in love, baby girl. Oh, can you come with me home, home? Can you come with me to the apple tree? I wrote back and said, of course I had sex before. In my little overdose, might as well drug a choice, an overdose. Drug a choice, in my overdose, I drug a choice. I need you, I want you, I love you, I need you, I want you, I need you, I love you, I want you, I need you, I love you, I need you. Need you in my life, oh, I can see you, but that's why I can't be you, what I want. Cannot be you, what I want. I need you, I want you, I want you, I need you, I need you, I want you, I want you, I need you. Beautiful. I want to see if I can try some pop. What was the other thing that was acoustic? Um, acoustic pop ballad. That's what I'm doing right now. Melodic. You know, try melodic and I'll try pop. Let's see what I can get on. Let's see what I can. Man, get popped off. What the fuck? Oh shit. Okay. Beautiful. Other night. want you, I want you, I need you, I need you, I want you, I want you, I need you, I need you, I want you, I want you, I need you, I want you, I want you, I need you. Want you, I want you, I need you, I need you, I want you, I want you, I want you, I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you. Can I just have you, pretty face, pretty little girl, pretty little smile? A little smile, pretty little smile. Can I have you, my little baby? I just want you. My angel at night, oh, my angel at night. Oh, break, pretty girl, break all your promises to me, girl. I don't want it to take back, no, sexy backseas with your love. But I want you, I need you, I need you, I want you, I want you, I want you, I want you. Can I have you? Oh, you don't wanna run one like me. Oh, you don't wanna run around with one like me. Oh, pretty face, little girl, oh, pretty body, yo, what you know? Walk and talk, how you go, like your little body know how you go. Looking so good, how you know about you look so good in that dress. Ho, ho, cause I need you, I want you, I want you, I need you, I need you, I want you, I want you, I need you, I need you, I want you, I want you, need you, I want you, I want you, I need you, I need you, I want you, I want you, I need you, oh, ooh, ooh. Hell no. My shit was already full from that one time. I can't keep doing it. I'm about to stop for real. I can just take one. I'm okay with just one for real. We're gonna end that there. But before we go, we're gonna take a shot of chocolate milk in the jug. One more. Beautiful, beautiful.